I am inevitable. And I
SK Technical Boy.
Hey guys, it's your SK Technical Boy again. Welcome to the part 2 of the video. So today you are going to see the many places today. So backside you are seeing the VIT administrative block, which we are not going to cover today. So yeah, so this is the backside VIT Chennai, and let's start the video in 3, 2, 1. So yeah guys, this is called the Shuttle Bus, which leaves like at 1:45 and it arrives like from 1:20 to 1:30. During that range these buses will come, and this is a normal day where people have not come, but even there are days where there will be a lot of rush. If possible, I will record that as well if for other bus routes. So hey guys, we have come to Gymkhana. Gymkhana is nothing but top there will be a gym, down there will be khana. Khana means is nothing but it's a Hindi translation of food actually. So yeah, it's gym food, you can call it as. Now we will search for some persons who can give review of the food which is inside. By the way, I'll show what's inside. So yeah, so we have seen two people. I'll ask him about Gymkhana.
This is like the go-to place mostly for vegetarians. Here, it's like the most optimal place to have lunch rather than having it at gazebo. And you got two options, AC and non-AC. So this is the non-AC and their AC is there. And my recommendation would be to have South Indian meals or naans most of the time because they are the best quality food you can get here. But as far as like fried rice or biryani goes, sometimes they are like very dry or maybe it's like an old stock. No, those sort of issues can arise. So it's best if you choose South Indian meals and North Indian like paneer, gobi, stuff like that. You can choose, that's like the most optimal option. And then, yeah, what else? You can get desserts, and in the morning you can get coffee, dosa, idli, stuff like that. In the afternoon, it's like your regular lunch. And then in the between like after 3 p.m., you can get chaat items, any chaat items you wish. And then in the evening, just naan or paneer, simple stuff, nothing much complex. Yeah, so this is the non-AC portion of Gymkhana, and there behind the windows, you see that it's the AC portion of Gymkhana. Yeah, currently it's not open, but it'll be open soon. So yeah.
So yeah, this is Gymkhana guys. You can get your food here. This is the busy day where people are having their lunch now. And that is the menu. There's a lot of things here guys. By the way, that is the AC room. I'll show that as well. Before showing the AC room, though, for lunch, every day this keeps changes actually. So yeah, don't rush this actually. This menu. So yeah, this is the AC room part. Actually, there is not that much AC, but it's there. It's cool over here. as compared to that place. Exited the Gymkhana successfully. So yeah, I hope you like this area. If you want, you can come here, spend time with your friends and eat lunch, dinner. And by the way, guys, here the paneer butter masala tastes very good. I have tasted personally. So yeah, I hope you like this part of the video. So by the way, guys, whichever stall which you are going here, outside food are not allowed. So you have to buy stuff from there and you have to eat it. So by the way, guys, now we have arrived at Domino's, located at VIT. So let's get inside and let's see how it looks like inside Domino's. So this is the infrastructure, as you guess, and people will buy pizzas here. You get the same stuff as you get in a regular Domino's pizza. So yeah, we'll have some reviews from another random person. So we will have a review from him.
But this is not a special, like, the tastes are good, but not like outside Domino's. We can place order in the app, in the counter. Yeah, here's the counter. If you see, they are making pizzas.
No, it's best if you place orders online because sometimes they won't let you get the products you mean, like the drinks there. It's only available on online purchases and not offline. So it's best to use your mobile app to get the food from here.
So this is the top part. This is called the Milky Way, where you can get ice creams and fast food. So this is the menu items. And yeah, we'll go up then. We have a nice cool air. And this is like in evening time, it will be a great spot if you come here. So friend, there is a gym. Before showing it, I will show the gym like from outside. Now there are these facilities available from this time. Then this is the upper part of the canteen. The same things here. So yeah, then this is the hostel block, A block, which looks very tall. And yeah, okay, let's go then.
Yeah, so we got bus conductors, right? Why not have bus insulators? The most important thing I would say is like don't stress too much about your GPA or academic stuff. The college is more about your creative thinking and what you can do aside from the regular academics you have. So and you have to be as independent as possible and make connections with other people so that you can develop your ideas along with them. And who knows, maybe you can become the next billionaire.
Hey guys, now we are going to the library. So let's get into the way.
So we're at the library. You could consider it to be the bastion of knowledge of our college. The first floor is the floor with the books about your regular sciences and your computer science books. Second floor, you got ECM and AEEE books and mechanical guys go there to study too. And the third floor, which is like the most posh floor of our library, you have the law students and in business colleges, business students going around there. And if you go to the third floor, it's like the more posher one. It has the more expensive like expensive books. We also have the e-library over there. I don't think anybody uses it, but it's there. If you any VITians use it, please let us know in this video comment section. Our library is fully air conditioned. It is very cold most of the time. Sometimes, except when it's actually hot. In that case, they actually turn off the AC for some reason. I don't know. But in the winters, for some reason, they turn it to the max setting. It is cold during the winters, hot during the summers, when it should be the opposite. But they don't do that actually. So that's about it about our library. So like if I talk about, I'll give a live lesson about library is utilize this as much as you can. It's a great place to study. It's a great place to learn. Like it's a very quiet environment. I know like there's background sounds when I'm doing this, when I'm talking, but if you go inside the library floors, it will be very quiet. They make sure that nobody's misusing the library. That is, sometimes you can't just go there and play a video game or anything. You have to go study, and it's a very good resource too. Like if you come here during exams, it's obviously going to be crowded. But if you come here before exams, like a week before exams, you can get all your work done. It's very, very helpful. Most so for hostelers, because in their hostel they won't have any privacy, but here they will find the privacy. So don't misuse the libraries. Use it as much as you can.
So this is how the health center looks like. There are doctors everywhere. You can check your weight and height in this weight machine. So this is the waiting area, and this is the height machine, and I have shown you the weight machine that's right there. I'll zoom it. That's the weight machine. So this is the MG Auditorium, or the Mahatma Gandhi Auditorium. This is the main entrance. And I'll show the small parts of this building. As you can see, many people are leaving this building right now. I'll try if I can show inside. So actually I cannot show what's inside actually, because it's closed now. And And in front of me you're seeing the 5 o'clock buses which leave the college campus by 5 o'clock. And this is one more parking area. First it was not a parking area, now they have made it as a parking area. I guess today many people have written VIT Triple exam. So yeah, many students and parents have come here to see the opening ceremony, I guess. Yeah, today might be one of the opening ceremony, like orientation program for the juniors, first year students. And after that, the people will come enjoy the campus. So yeah, the first year students are coming right now. So we have arrived at our bus. Let's get inside and let's get seated in our place. Currently no one is there in the bus. The worst part of having an AC bus is that when you're not having an AC and the bus is turned off, it's very sweating right now. And this is our cute place with our cute bag. And let me open this window. And by the way guys, this is the outside alternate entrance or exit. The one which I showed earlier was the main entrance. This is the side entrance which our bus takes. And yeah, so that is MG Auditorium. As you can see, parents are leaving and to pick up their students in the VIT Triple exam.